In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect an LG soundbar to subwoofer without a remote. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you don't have access to a remote and you want to set up your subwoofer with your LG soundbar, you can easily do this by doing a manual pairing. So, to start, make sure that the soundbar is powered off. So find the power button on your soundbar and power it off before proceeding forward. I'm going to teach you how to identify if it was successfully powered off. Another thing to keep in mind is that this process might differ slightly for every single model of soundbar. Sadly, I cannot cover all of them in this video alone, but in general, you will find the power button at the top and you give it a quick tap to power it off. You can tell that it's off because if you look at the back of your subwoofer, you will see that this LED or light will be red. Depending on the model that you have, you might not have a light, so consult the manual on how to tell if it was successfully powered off. You can also check any sort of LED display and so on. Once it is successfully powered off, press the pairing button at the back. So most subwoofers at the back will have a pairing button. This one is labeled like this, pairing, and all that you have to do is press this for a few seconds. You will be able to know that it's trying to pair with another device because this light will start blinking. So once the light starts blinking green instead of red, it indicates that pairing mode is now set up correctly. Now you can power on the soundbar after you set it to the blinking pairing mode. And when you power on the soundbar while this is blinking, it is going to be enough for both devices to automatically establish a connection between themselves. So all that you have to do is power it on after you set up the pairing mode, and they will be connected together automatically for you. If this doesn't work, then restart both devices and try again. You must make sure that when you press the pairing button at the back of the subwoofer, it is currently powered off. And then, as long as you power on the soundbar after pressing the pairing button, they are going to connect them together. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect LG soundbar to subwoofer without remote. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.